What I like about Magic Carpet Ride is that you get to like move.
Honestly, in the beginning, I was a little nervous about doing the Magic Carpet Ride virtually. We had done it in class, but I wasn't sure how the students would be engaged looking at Drummer Bob and Jinsoya on a screen.
Jen Suya was right next to us in the videos, how she told us to get up. It was like she was right beside us.
Swimming and swimming and swimming, and then we're almost there, and we're coming to that little strip of water, which we called was a what? Strait. Strait, right? The Straits of Gibraltar. The Straits of Gibraltar. Try it. Straits of Gibraltar. Good.
The program was so organized. There was the preparation guide, so I was very prepared, and I think that contributed to the success. So what I did was I pulled the website up on our smart board, which is like a presentation device. And so the students were able to watch the video on a large screen, and then we had an exterior speaker, so that way the sound was nice and loud and they could hear the instructions.
My favorite thing was like him doing the drums and us dancing and like the beat and stuff. My favorite instrument was probably the debke because the rhythm was just so clean.
The presentation style in the Magic Carpet Ride held that engagement within the students because she talked to the students as if they were right there in front of her. So they were actually doing like a choral response. So she would ask a question, they would respond aloud. She would have them get up and move when it was time to move. And I think that component made it seem like they were right there in the room.
And 4, and. Who wants to try it with the clapping? 3, and 4, and. Wow. 3, and 4, and. It's a lot to remember, isn't it? Let's do it.
When we were first learning the debke, and it was really fun at first until it got a little harder and harder at the end.
At first I was a bit nervous, and then I was happy, and then I was excited to do more.
I love the dance meshi.
My favorite Arabic word is bidfadle because it's easy to say.
My favorite word in Arabic is yalla. Yalla!
I felt personally it took some of the stress off of me as a teacher. I think it eased my workload. I would definitely, without hesitation, recommend this program to students and teachers all over the world.
I really recommend this for other kids because it was really active, really educational. I would really, really recommend this to other kids. I think you other 4th graders would love this program.
Aywa!
Yalla habibi! La 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 la!